Hey my loves, it's your girl Brittney.Dashay back with another video. So I'm coming to y'all with a very simple, effortless look. I'm doing a half up, half down, top knot look. And I've got both hair of the instant pony and the half wig from Amazon. The links will be in the description down below. But yes, this was very easy, very simple. The instant pony is definitely something that you could wear by itself. Putting your hair all up in a ponytail, smoothing it out, it definitely will be a look, and I plan on doing a separate video styling that. The ponytail the hair was very soft, as well as the half wig. It is heat resistant fiber, so I was able to pass through with my edge tamer. It does go up to 400 Fahrenheit that it can use the heat on. So with my hair, I did use my edge tamer just to smooth out my hair, just so it doesn't have my curl pattern. I want it to be more sleek but still have that blown out look. I used my all-time favorite edge stick just to smooth out my hair. I didn't go crazy with the baby hairs of laying those down and all that. It's just more of doing a little swoop, but not going crazy with my edges. I'm not real big on the edges because your girl don't know how to do all that. But yes, this is definitely going to be a go-to look for me, a look that I can just quickly do before I have to go to work, before I have to leave out somewhere, and I don't have to fuss too much with my hair. The back of my hair is actually sectioned off, and I have it braided down in some big country braids, so we wasn't even trying to show y'all how that looked. But this look is very simple, very beginner friendly, so it's very self-explanatory also. So I just wanted to at least introduce the video and just give a little background of the hair and everything. But definitely go to Amazon and get this instant pony. If you don't get anything else, get that instant pony, and for sure get the instant or the half wig. But yes, I'll let y'all watch the rest of the video in peace. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Punch, slap, kick that notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading. But continue to watch so you can see the end of this beautiful look.
and check up on it. Got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it.
Hey my love, so I'm going to briefly go through the hair, even though I touched on it a little bit in my voiceover before this part. But I got the ponytail from Amazon, as well as the half wig from Amazon as well. And I just ended up doing a top knot bun, and I did pass through this hair. You can do it like 425 degrees or Fahrenheit. Don't judge me. But I used my little edge tamer to go through the hair just to smooth it out, because in the insert in the clips before, you saw it was a little bigger, and I wanted it to be kind of smooth, so I did go through it and just smooth out the hair. But I love this wig. This actually is Outre hair, and it's in any half wig. Definitely I love this hair. I've worn this hair before, this wig before, but that's been some years back. But yes, this was very affordable for both the ponytail and the wig together, so you can't go wrong. But this will definitely be a go-to for me, where this will be an effortless look, but it looked like you took some time with it, but they don't know you slapped on a half wig and put on an instant ponytail. They would never know. Who would know? But yes, your girl is feeling herself, and the hair feels so good after I passed through with my little edge tamer. So definitely, if you have something similar to that, I would definitely gauge the temperature. Even though it can, it's like a heat resistant fiber, you still want to do like a little test just so you don't burn out your hair. But yes, I am in love with this look. So make sure that y'all head over to Amazon. I'm going to actually create an Amazon store for myself, so it'll be easier for y'all to be able to find the hair that I like to use, or the hair that I've used in previous videos. So yeah, make sure you head over when I'm gonna be dropping that soon. I need to work on that after this video, just being transparent. But yes, if you have not already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Punch, slap, kick that notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading. But yes, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I'm about to go do something, run some errand. Like I have to be seen with this hairstyle, like let it be known. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.